Nowadays, smartwatches are everywhere. Once these devices are getting old, it is difficult to find its accessories, mainly chargers. If you search online, some of them are not available or too expensive, or you can find cheaper one in AliExpress or Banggood. But it will take some time to reach you. Meanwhile, you can make your own smartwatch charger. This is my Fossil Gen 4 sports watch. When I searched online for its charger, I found one, but it's too expensive. So I decided to make one. For that, you should know the charging pin connections. Again, I searched in the Google for charging pin connection. Unfortunately, I didn't get any information. So this video is mainly focused on to find some of the common smartwatch charging pin connections. After knowing the pin connection, I made one charger for Fossil. I glued two magnets and two pins on top of the plastic material. The magnet will hold the charger in the back of the smartwatch. The two pins are flexible and we need to give 5 volt. So that's it. I am listing all the smartwatch charging pin connections which I am using currently. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, please give a thumb and subscribe for more future updates.